Hello, nice to see you again. This is Nancy. Here's our contact details for your guide. Now I will show you the authentic Air Jordan 13th Retro Black Cat. Yeah, it's all black color, as you can see. Now here, show you the box first. It's gray color for the box. Here's a German logo on the upper. And the left you can find the shoes details for your guide. Yeah. Okay. The inside there's a paper inside for cover shoes. Yeah. The bracket, you can check the toe first. Here you can find the service. There are so many holes on the tongue. Yeah. Here also you can find the German logo. Yeah. Now I'll show you the outside. Here's the designs for 13 retro shoes. Yeah. Pay attention to here. Yeah. It's a special logo, special designs for the shoes. Yeah. Now turn to the back side. Okay, show you the another side here. Oh, black color, so cool. Yeah. Now behind the tongue you can find the size tag. Yeah. The size tag here. Also you can find the black cat pattern on the shoe head. Yeah. Okay, now show you the bottom. Here also special designs for the bottom. Yeah, as you can see, fragment here. Yeah. The shoes also take the technology of carbon plate. Yeah. Okay, show you another shoe. Yeah, here is the nice designs for the black cat. Yeah, the quality are authentic, 100%. Yeah, we guarantee. If you buy the shoes, we can offer you good price. Yeah. Here's the size tag. Yeah. Okay. Now show you the bottom. Okay. Welcome to our website for more choice and details, and looking for your orders from us. Yeah. Here's our contact details for your review. See you.